weird bambina too. Wow. How cool. Alright, the bambina's just about ready to take off now. It's even smaller than the mini. The koi. There he goes. Alright, that looks like a Datsun, maybe a 260Z. 240Z it is on the number plate. There he goes. Nice red Pontiac. Noise. There he goes. It's a Mark II Cortina, Escort, not a Cortina, Escort. I'm going to drop the flag in a minute. There's Bob. He's the OMG and Restorers Club too. He comes on some of the runs with us. Yeah, he's just about off and away now. And 31, so we're over halfway.
Hello, Children's Variety, Racing Club.
Looks like a Mag 2 Mustang. He's got upgraded headlights. These LED lights, unusual.
That's alright. There was also a competition with the cars. If you want to put the favourite car number, take the best test.
There's a Falcon GT. There's a nice 57 Shield. These are beauties. Yeah, Tony's not driving this year, he's let somebody else drive.
Hey?
Tony's not driving this year, he's let somebody else in his TD, see?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Who actually owns that?
Tony Basham.
Oh right.
And his PA is down in Melbourne at the moment, the green one.
Trying to sell it.
No, he had some engine work done on it, but he put it in a VA, the green one. It's an earlier model than that. Triumph Stag. There's not too many of them around.
Oh.
And there's a car here called a Peerless, and I've never seen that before.
Yeah. That's what running gears they've got on it.
I wouldn't have a clue. It's the first time I heard of it.
On the bloody website there.
You wouldn't hang on to it. You ever entered in the end? No, I haven't. It's a bit exy too, I think.
Yeah, 600 bucks.
Yeah. I
Right,
suppose
the
it's
same
all right.
route being price for nothing, you know.
I guess I think 1952 was the first one
First
they ever
one,
ran.
yeah, they brought that out to Buddy, combat to Buddy, which was vice versa. Mustang, when did the first Mustang come
Yeah,
out?
65.
Yeah, well they brought the Mustang out to Buddy try and catch the market of these Corvettes what they had, you know.
Yeah, when Chev made the Camaro.
Yeah. You only do 100 k's on the road.
Well, yeah, that's right. No, and those Camaros too,
Hang like a bag of sponge.
yeah, they're too heavy, you know. They're bloody, you can't tuck them into a corner. The old back ends out and they're crossed up.
Yeah. I see a
Straight line, yeah.
right.
Yeah, it would make a
I built a car to
GT40.
take you on. And he just kept building motors until they stopped blowing up. Every
Yeah,
time
yeah.
that something blew up, he'd
Strengthen it up.
strengthen it up, yeah. So they went over to run it about 4 years running or something.
Yeah.
Or they took out that, made that GT40.
Oh, there's some awesome things.
Making the club got one, building one. You know, that bloke had the C-type here?
Yeah, Colin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spent some money on that.
Oh.
140 grand, so the body cost him, he had that made in New Zealand,
What?
of the GT40 body.
Yeah.
That cost him 70. And that, what's the name?
C-type.
The C-type cost him 170.
Oh,
right?
no, yeah. Just the engine. They pull it to bits, put all the good stuff in it. He had
And the pair of us would come up with an idea of bloody sticking the, like the Jaguar had originally, had the power steering pump run off the back of the generator. Well, he's got it running off the back of the alternator.
Yeah.
Got one out of a diesel.
yeah, well, I guess he's talked to Harvey about it.
You know what?
Hopefully he's talked to Harvey about his problems.
Yeah.
What did
I'm a V12, XJS V12. And he was having a run through all the bloody dramas he had with it. And turns out the bloody coil he had, as soon as it got hot, it would stop.
Yeah.
Turn it off, start it again, where you
Oh,
go.
well, it might be. I haven't had a look at his setup. Has it just got the one coil, or has it got multiple coils for...
No, it's only got the one coil. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, it
It's
might
not
be.
like the modern cars with a coil each plug, no. And it's got the old D-jet buddy fuel injection on it, the old Bosch D-jet, you know, the early one? Yeah,
Yeah,
it's got on there. So it's earlier than Harvey's. Harvey's got that Morelli fuel injection system, you know, plus a bit of Lucas stuff stuck in amongst it.
Lucas was the one who invented the short circuit, wasn't he?
He went at the short circuit,
Yeah.
Prince of Darkness.
Yeah. Yeah, you must have read that. The bloody headlights go off, smoulder, burn. Lucas was the first one to invent the intermittent wiper.
All right.
Another S-type,
Huh?
another V12S.
Yeah.
You'd be almost tempted to chuck off all that shit, put a distributor and a bloody set of carburetors on it, wouldn't you?
Well, I had that. I don't know.
Yeah, you can fine-tune the fuel and ignition by electronics far better,
Oh, yeah.
more efficient. But you can't tinker with them.
No. Well, you've got to have a laptop.
Well, yeah. Well, it's not difficult if you've got the software, you know, but...
I was saying to Wayne the other day when he said that when he met and all the bloody paraphernalia and laptop to go with it cost him 20 odd grand. 25 grand, he told me that.
Well, Wayne's found that bloke who's been recommended.
Yeah, well, I don't know who. I think this bloke does his own. Like as I said, he's got a fuel injection joint down there on Newland Street, and he does his land to himself, you know. Yeah. But he's won a lot of prizes with that thing.
Well, the bloke that Wayne's got teed up has just had a stroke or something.
Yeah.
And he lives near... What number are we up to? 50. There's 59 of them altogether, I think. I think there was 80 last time, wasn't there? Over 80 cars last time. They never had one last year, but the year before they did. Yeah, I think they had about 80 odd. So, it's a Dodge in it, Chrysler,
One of those
PT Cruiser. I think it's only a 2 litre. Yeah.
Then they went to 2.4. So when those E-types come out, they decided they were going to, well, started racing them. And they tried all different types of suspension, and they all come back to the original suspension to handle better.
Yeah. Here's that bloody Peerless.
I'm trying to think what motor it's got in. It's on a...
Where's it? What nationality is it?
Australian.
Is it? I never heard of him before.
Like old Johnny Honan said, he needs a Greg Ready paint job on it.
Yeah, like bloody get Earl to paint it.
Hey? Or get Earl to paint it.
Yeah.
Earl's painted it.
Yeah. Get the old half brush out. What's that bloody, what's that old Chevy got?
Ah, that's a Chrysler.
Chrysler. Oh, Jesus. It's badly in need of a paint job.
Yeah, that's an enamel job, that one.
It's a broom special.
Oh, Mark 10's probably the worst.
Oh, yeah. It's like a 4.
Yeah, it is. It's only a 4.
I've seen one with a V4 Transit engine in the back of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen one of them. And I've seen a bloody combi with it.
Oh, this is
That's old John. Yeah.
What's he do?
Not sure. No, I think he's retired now.
Yeah. Talk about buying a bloody XJS.
He is.
Yeah, he was talking to me. We went for a run up the bloody tableland on midweek. Looking at buying an XJS.
Mm. Well, somebody put me onto MGB GT that's for sale here in Cairns at the moment.
I was talking to Bowl, you know Bowl?
Yeah.
And he said it's a bit rough, restorable, you know.
Yeah. I haven't ever seen it, but the guy who told me about it has. Not sure if I like them all that much. Consider an ordinary MGB, you know.
Or the MGC, the one I'd like is the MGC, you know, the 6